Chapter 2 On the Trail of the Earliest People. Complete the sentences. Hunter-gatherers choose to live in caves and rock shelters because they wanted to protect themselves from wild animals and bad weather. Grasslands developed around 12,000 years ago. Early people painted on the walls of caves. In Helsinki, tools were made up of limestone. Look at the present-day political map of the subcontinent on page 136 of the textbook. Find out the states where Bhimbetak, Hunjais and Kumul are located. Would Tushar's train have passed near any of these cities? Answer. Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Hungsgi, Karnataka. Kumul, Andhra Pradesh. Tushar's train would have passed near Bhimbetka, Hungsgi and Kumul since they all lie on the possible train route from Delhi to Chennai. Third one, why did the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place? In what ways are these similar to or different from the reasons for which we travel today? Answers. Hunter-gatherers traveled from place to place for 4 basic reasons, which are as follows. Also see flow burning. If they stayed at one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plants and animal resources. Therefore, they went to another place for more food. Animals move from place to place. Humans followed them as they hunted them. Plants and trees bear fruits in different seasons. So, when season changed, people moved to another place. In search of water, people travel from place to place. Water is necessary for survival. However, nowadays we travel for different purposes like education, we travel to school. Work, we travel to work. Business, people travel from place to place for business purpose. Entertainment, we travel one place to another to amuse and entertain ourselves like going to circus, a zoo or sightseeing. What tools would you use today for cutting fruits? What would they be made up of? Answer. Today for cutting fruits we would use modern tools like knives which are made up of iron or steel. List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers used fire. Would you see fire for any of these purposes today? Answer. Hunter-gatherers used fire as a source of light. They used fire to cook meat or food. They used fire to scare away animals also. Fire keeps him or her warm. Yes, fire is used as a source to cook food, including meat. We also use it to keep us warm. Some people use it for religious purposes and burn their dead bodies. Make 2 columns in your notebook. In the left-hand column, list the foods hunters gatherers ate. In the right-hand column, list some of the food you eat. Do you notice any similarities or differences? Answer. Column 1, column 2. Food eaten by early man. Food eaten by modern man. Fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, eggs, meat. Processed food like bread, pizza, ice cream, etc. along with unprocessed food like fruit. Differences between the 2 eating habits. Today we largely eat processed and cooked foods, whereas the early people did not cook their food. They ate everything raw. 7th one. If you had a natural pebble like the ones shown on page 13 in the textbook, what would you use it for? Answer. I would have used some of these stone tools to cut meat and bones, scrap bark from trees and hides animal skin, chop fruits and roots. Some may have been attached to handles of bone or wood to make spear and arrows for hunting. Third one, other stone tools were used to chop wood which was used as firewood. Eighth question, list two tasks that are performed by both men and women at present. List another two that are performed only by women and two that are performed only by men. Compare your list with that of any two of your classmates. Do you notice any similarities or differences in your list? Answer. Two tasks that are performed by both men and women are teaching office jobs. Two tasks that are performed by only men, mining, working in a shipyard. Two tasks that are performed only by women, nursing, looking after home and heart. Compare your list yourself. True or false? Some rivers are perennial while others are seasonal. True. Tools of woods have survived better than the tools of stones. False. The sites where hunter-gatherers lived were close to water. True. Honggi was located in the present-day Madhya Pradesh. True. Man led a well-settled life by Paleolithic age. False. Very short answer type questions. What did hunter-gatherers do to sustain themselves? Answer. They hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs in order to sustain themselves. Why was hunting animals difficult for the people? Answer. Hunting animals was difficult because there were several animals that ran faster than human beings. Many were stronger. Third one. What do people need while hunting animals or catching fish and birds? Answer. People need to be alert, quick and have lots of presence of mind. Fourth one. Collecting plant produces needs a lot of precautions. How? Answer. One needs to find out which plants or parts of plants are edible, that is, can be eaten, as many can be poisonous. It is also necessary to find out about the seasons when the fruits ripen. Fifth one. What is the differences between perennial and seasonal lakes and rivers? Answers. Perennial rivers and lakes are those which bear water throughout the year, while seasonal rivers and lakes have water only during a particular period to rainy season. Sixth one. How was the wood used in the past? Answer. Wood was used as firewood. It was also used to make huts and tools. Seventh one. What were factory sites? Answer. Factory sites were places where a stone was found and where people made tools. Where are natural caves and rock shelters found? Answer. Natural caves and rock shelters are found in the Vindhyas and the Deccan Plateau. Ninth one. What suggests that people in the past used fire? Answer. Traces of ash have been found in the Kumul caves. This suggests that people in the past used fires. 10th one. Why did earlier people use fire? Answer. They used fire to make light, to cook meat and to frighten animals. 11th one. Name any two grain bearing grasses. Answer. Wheat and barley. 12th one. What is the special features of the painting found in the Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh? Answer. These paintings show wild animals which have been drawn with great accuracy and skill.